Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all this makeup look which is pretty much my go-to these days. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing that I'm going to do is prep my face, and I'm using the MAC Fix Plus for that. I'm going to spritz it all over my face and then I'm just going to let it sit and dry. Next thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and for that I'm using the Professional. Today I'm not using a sunscreen because I'm not stepping out, but generally I use sunscreen instead of the Professional primer. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Can't believe I've never used this before. I absolutely love it and I'm definitely going for the full size bottle. Also guys, follow me on Instagram as well. I would love to have you there. If you've come through this video, then leave this emoji on any of my pictures and I'll know that you've come through my YouTube channel. And we are done with foundation. The next thing I'm going to do is set my face, and for that I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. The next thing I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrows. Also, I have a very interesting video on eyebrows coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. I've not got my eyebrows done in the longest time because we were under a lockdown. The next step is to bronze the face, and for that I'm using this Milani bronzer. It has a blush and highlighter as well, so it's like a 3-in-1 product which I really like. I want my blush and bronzer to look lifted, so I'm going to clean up the bottom area using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. The next step is my favorite, and that's to use the highlighter. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, brow bones, nose and a little bit of my lips. Next step is eyeliner. I don't think I've changed my eyeliner since years now. If you watch any of my older videos also, you'll see the same eyeliner. I think this is one thing that has not changed. Next up is lipstick. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild lipstick. I absolutely love this shade. It's such a gorgeous shade. Just look at it. I mean, for everyday wear, this is a very pretty nude. I'm going to highlight my tear duct using the same highlighter I used before. And I feel like my brow bone needed extra highlighter, so added that as well. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in my next one. Stay safe. Bye. Love you all.